a lot of political education to re-energize the party, re-energize the country. Like I said earlier, we believe that leadership is not just the problem of the country, but followership is also a problem. And therefore, it is our intention to carry out political education from time to time in order to reorientate our people and change our mindsets for betterment of the party and for the betterment of the country. We believe that the change should start from us. And that's why we are going to carry out consistently this political education of the party. And I'm happy that the national youth leader has taken the initiative, and we are starting with the youth. We are going to do that of the women, and then we are going to do a lot of other educational programs within the party. And by the time we are sure and convinced that we have convinced ourselves that we can be agents of change, then we go all out and begin to preach this change, reorientation to the Nigerian people generally. I want to say that there's no more crisis in the party. The courts have spoken. The courts have said there's only one leadership in the Labour Party. And if there is dispute in the country, if there is dispute anywhere, where you go to is the courts. It was said that the convention didn't follow due process. And that was why people went to court. INEC said we didn't follow due process. And we went to court. And the court have said the convention was in line with the party constitution, the Electoral Act, and the constitution of the land. And INEC have since obeyed. And we are working very closely with INEC. We participated in the just concluded election in Ondo State. And we are carrying out other political activities. Like I said, Labour Party is one big family. All those who are offended, let them come back to the party. I have said that we have forgiven all those who perceive that they have done one thing or the other to us. I'm not angry. We have put it behind us, and Labour Party